Hi everyone, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. Today I have the Cozy F1 T800 in the workshop, my 33-inch tunnel hull, and I will give you a quick update. Unfortunately, it got badly damaged during Dutch RC Powerboats event this weekend. I had a great time, I ran my boats, my tunnel hull also ran really well, but at some point my flex shaft snapped, as you can see here. So my boat was idle in the water, and there were other boaters racing their boats, and even though I warned them that my boat was idle in the water, unfortunately one of the guys collided with my boat. So his boat, it was a big cat, entered my boat under this angle, as you can see, and straight into my cowl. So yeah, it's pretty bad. It broke in half, and also my radio box is damaged. Actually, I started to cut the damaged part already to take it off and reconstruct it. The fin is touched and some, well, just some paint mark here. And when I tilt the boat a little bit more, I also got some crack mark over there. So overall, I think the hull is not in too bad shape. It can definitely be fixed. There's just some woodwork. This part, I think I will just remove it and fill it with thickened epoxy. Maybe just tip this with some white paint. So that will be okay. Well, flex shaft. That's the drawback of such an outboard. Due to the big angle of the flex shaft, once in a while they break. And then the cowl. I'm not too sure what I will do with this. I mean, I could maybe fix it. Just put another layer of carbon fiber from the inside, or maybe even 2 layers to reinforce it. And then when from the inside the carbon fiber is attached and cured, I can start to fill this. Obviously I have to remove the whole paint and do it all over again to make it neat, or I just fix it up so I can run it this season and care about the paint later on. Or alternatively, I just make an entirely new cowl. So I still have the mold for this one. It might actually be interesting to record the process of making the cowl to show you guys. So that's also an idea. As you can see, it's made from carbon fiber. Quite a lot of work went into this, but it's definitely doable. So I will update you later on what I will do, and I will show you the process. So see you later.